Good day mga ka-fatboy. So meron tayong ADV 150 na nagpa-PMS. Okay. So ito ay isang kaibigan natin na nagpa-PMS ay dahil sa siya ay magkakaroon ng ride down south. Okay. This was way back. I forgot the date, pero ito ay bago yung nangyaring incidente sa kanya nung siya ay nasa south. Okay, so this one, pinalitan natin siya ng kanyang ball race. Okay, ginamitan natin siya ng original Honda na ball race, and also nagpalit siya ng engine oil. Okay, ang gamit natin sa kanya is the Repsol. Okay, Repsol Rider na 20W50. Okay, bakit 20W50? Medyo malapad yung nilagay natin sa kanya, and at the same time good for long rides. Right? Now, yan, you can see pinalagyan natin siya ng heavy duty na grease para maganda ang laro ng ating full race. Alright, also we have to clean the brake system of his bike. Yan, oh. Sobrang dumi na. So kinalas natin at nilinis, no, kanyang brake system. Medyo nagkakaproblema na kasi si Doc with regards to sa kanyang pag-brake, no. Ayan, oh. Bakal sa bakal na halos eh. So we had to replace that and give it a new pads. At nakikita nyo naman, no, pati yung cover nagtutulo na, so tumatagas na yung kanyang brake fluid, so we have to replace that as well. So there, pinalitan natin siya ng RCB. Okay, so thank you for watching Fatboy Customs, and see you in our next video.